What are concept groups? Axcelerate has the capability to algorithmically group documents together based on their content. The system can create up to 70 document sets that are called concept groups. Each group is identified by an ID number and contains 20 characteristic labels that provide insight into why the documents were grouped. To access concept groups, you could use the Smart filter located under the Analytics group. However, the concept browser has much more functionality and is the best place to start as you become familiar with the concept groups in your dataset. To access the concept browser, from the Pages menu, select Concept Browser under Advanced Analytics. There are a few common ways that concept groups are used. By reviewing the groups and lists of labels at the start of a project, this may call your attention to potentially target-rich document sets. Each group is referenced by an ID and contains 20 characteristic labels. Once you identify a group of interest, click on the number associated with a group to apply a filter. To review the document results within the selected filtered group, switch to the Analysis or Review page. Another common way to use the concept groups is by utilizing the Concept panel. You can use the left side panel to scroll through the list of concept labels and select labels of interest as you go, or you can use the Type Ahead functionality up at the top to search for a specific label of interest. As you click on a label, all concept groups containing that label display at the top of the middle window, and the other groups are collapsed. Once all labels of interest are selected, click the Filter button. Again, you can view the document results by switching your view to either the Analysis or Review page. Once you have identified key concept groups, you can use the Analytics Concept Group Smart filter to quickly access and filter to groups of interest without having to switch to the Concept Browser page. To see the labels that are associated with each concept group, you can hover your mouse over the ID or use the Expand option at the top of the Smart filter. If you know the number identifier of the concept group in which you are interested, type the number in the Type Ahead box. To quickly filter to that concept group,